Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen cooking a creamy chicken and rice dish with lots of broccoli and mushrooms in it. It's going to be delicious. So let's get started. While I get all of my things ready, you know what I need you to do. That's right, go out there and hit that subscribe button so that you get a chance to see all of my videos. For those of you who are new, there's lots of videos out there. For those of you who have already been subscribers, thank you for joining me again. And I've got something special for you. If you don't already know, I have a cookbook entitled Lavonne's Kitchen, Learning to Cook with Love, and it is on sale right now for 30% off. And that's only on sale on my website, which is www.lavonskitchen.com. The book is also available in bookstores and Amazon and all that. But in order to get the 30% off, you have to get it through my website. And guess what? Not only are you getting 30% off, you will get a signed book. The sale ends November 1st, so hurry up and get your order. You want to make sure you have those books before the holidays so that you can do all your holiday cooking, get all those recipes. So, you know, the book has over 100 recipes in it. There's a lot going on in here. Matter of fact, look at some of this. It's a lot of pictures and it's a lot going on in here. So make sure you get yours. So in the meantime, I'll be right back and I'm going to show you this easy recipe. We're going to start off with some pre-cooked baked chicken. You can either use baked chicken, which is what I used, or you can use a rotisserie chicken. But make sure you already have some really good seasoned chicken to start off with. Mine has all those onions and things in it, but I just needed some really good, juicy, tender chicken for this recipe. So once your chicken is cooked, what you're going to do is just shred it up in the bowl or in the casserole dish. Make sure it's nice and shredded. That's going to be our main ingredient, is our chicken. Get it nice and shredded. Then we're going to make it creamy. So we're going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup. Keep that can because next we want to add some water to the can. So we're going to use a can full of the water. Let's go ahead and combine that. Get it all nice and creamy. Get it combined very well. Then we're going to go ahead and add our mushrooms. I'm using canned mushrooms. You can use whatever type you like. And I'm even using that juice from the can, and you'll see why I'm using all these liquids in a few minutes. Now I'm going to add me a cup of white long grain rice and just go ahead and combine that in there. The liquids are to help the rice to cook. We want that rice to be nice and fluffy. So since we already have seasoned our chicken, we're still going to season our dish, and we're only going to use some black pepper right now. So you can use as much or as little as you like. You know me, I like a lot of black pepper. So get that in there, stir it up well. Let's add some fresh broccoli. I chopped it up a little. I just rough chopped it. I don't want it to be big chunks, but I don't want it to be too small either. I want you to be able to have a nice piece of broccoli in each bite. So add enough. Next, I'm going to use some liquid bouillon. Like I said, I need a lot of liquid in this dish to help cook my rice. So I'm going to use some chicken bouillon. That's going to give it some more flavor right there. Mix that up well, and then we're just going to pour that in there with the ingredients that's already there. Now you see it's all nice and combined. I'm going to go ahead and cover it with some foil and put it in the oven for 75 minutes on 400 degrees. Okay, it's out and look at it. It's done. It's nice and creamy. Look at that. So I'm going to just stir it up a little just to fluff that rice up. Look at that. Now that's what I'm talking about. You guys enjoy this because it is delicious.